Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Jamaica could soon benefit from increased investment in manufacturing and trade financing as the Afreximbank seeks to deepen ties between Africa and the Caribbean. Speaking at the Afreximbank inaugural Jamaica Roadshow recently, the group managing director outlined key pillars of its strategic plan for Jamaica. He stressed that industrialization is critical for expanding international trade and countries must first produce goods before they can meaningfully participate.
We want to create industrial parks, special economic zone here in Jamaica, so that we start manufacturing what we consume, we start exporting what we add value. That is how we are going to create jobs. So our pillar number 2 closely supports our intra-African trade, because for us to trade among ourselves, we need to produce the goods that need to be traded. Otherwise, you'll be trading nothing. And that's why intra-African trade rate today is averaging around 17%, which is lowest. Intra-European trade is about 60, intra-Asian trade is about 70. Our own is very small because we don't produce locally.
The update comes after Jamaica signed the Afreximbank's partnership agreement, which paved the way for a $5 billion financing facility for Caribbean countries. The bank also used the roadshow to outline a suite of trade facilitation and investment solutions to the Jamaican market. And it's now time for an update on the stock market. The JSE index at 1,430 points today, while the junior market index declined by 8 shares. General Accident Insurance Company, JMMB Group 7.15%, preference shares, and JMMB Group 10%. The losers were PC Caribbean Clean Energy, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Consolidated Bakeries, and 1&1 Educational Services. 16 stocks traded firm. Foreign currency trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $158.93. The Canadian $113.03, while the euro is selling 83 cents. And we now return to a story about the Kingston Wharves. Now, the Kingston Wharves is reporting a double-digit increase in revenues. Details of their financials at a recent annual general meeting. Deidre Thomas has details. And we'll try to have that story for you tomorrow in the Business Day. And that's it for this evening. We'll have international stories right after this break.